Okay, I'm about to make a toilet repair here. I have my toilet keep leaking water back underneath the seal right here. And I have this easy flush system right here. What I'm gonna do today is repair that. So the way to solve that problem is to replace the flush valve seal. And it's an easy fix. The only thing you have to do is just screw this top off right here. I already screwed it off. And there's a little seal on it, but screw that off. And just pick this whole tube up and out the way. Once you do that, you see the seal down there. And then what you do is just pull the seal away from around there. And sometimes it get kind of hard and brittle and break up. So that's what it's doing. And I got to get all that the rubber from up under there, because that's the only way the new seal gonna work. Yeah. Look at this, how brittle it is, and it's been leaking. Might need a knife or something to go up underneath there, because it goes in a little groove right around here. Goes in a little groove, and you got to get all of that, take all of that out of there. And like I said, it kind of, okay, it's pulling now. Try to keep it together if you can. That way, there we go. That way, see. Pull that seal all the way out of there. And just go down in there. Yep, you just have to push the new seal down in there. Down and around it. Let's make sure all the old seal is out from around it. Take your finger and go around it. Yep, the finger is all out. So, let's do that. Put the new seal on. You gotta go down over this pipe right here. Go all the way down on there. And like I said, you have a little area where it fits into all the way around and locks in all the way around. Make sure it goes in the groove. There you go, snapped in the groove. Now, see, you can turn it a little bit. That way you know it's on there. Okay. Clean her up a little bit. With your finger. And undo. Put this tube back down on there. And we're gonna screw this back on. Gotta hold it on there even while you're screwing it on there. There we go. There we go. Screw it on there. Okay, that's it right there. That's it. And let's turn the water back on. And it should seal. Water back on. Just try to make sure you get all the pieces out of there too. See a little piece in here. Got that out of there. Alright. Flush valve seal. Get it from your local hardware store. There we go. Hear that? It's completely sealed. Another repair by Ojack Do It Yourself.